To date any girl, confidence is the key, not cockiness. Girls are drawn to confidence that feels grounded, not loud or arrogant. Speak with calm energy, maintain eye contact, and don't overcompensate by bragging. Confidence says, "I know my worth," not, "I need your validation." Show genuine interest in her mind. Don't just compliment her looks. Ask about her thoughts, dreams, or opinions. When a girl feels mentally seen, attraction grows faster than when she's only physically admired. Be unpredictably interesting. Routine. "Hey, what's up?" texts die fast. Mix humor, mystery, and creativity into conversations. Send her random thoughts, memes, or fun questions that make her laugh or think. Keep your own life exciting. Girls like men who have purpose. Work on your goals, hobbies, and passions. It shows independence and gives her something to be curious about. Nobody wants someone who has nothing going on. Listen like it's an art. Most guys wait for their turn to talk. Listening makes you stand out. When she speaks, notice her tone, facial expressions, and emotions, not just her words. It builds deep, emotional attraction. Flirt with subtle energy. Tease her lightly, play with tone, and use small physical cues, like smiling while holding eye contact for a second too long. Subtle flirting feels natural and creates chemistry without pressure. Respect her boundaries, and keep yours too. Respect earns long-term attraction. If she feels safe around you, emotionally and physically, she'll open up. But also keep your own boundaries so you don't become a yes man. Show leadership in small ways. Suggest a date spot instead of asking her to pick. Take initiative. It shows confidence and decision-making skills, two highly attractive traits. Be playful, not needy. Fun energy attracts effortlessly. Don't chase, invite. Keep the vibe light, teasing, and confident. When you're not desperate for her attention, she naturally gives it. Be emotionally honest. Girls respect authenticity. If you like her, say it. If you're nervous, own it. Realness beats fake smoothness every time. Vulnerability is rare, and that's exactly why it's powerful. To date any girl, focus on confidence, not ego, and show genuine interest in her mind. Keep your own life exciting so she's drawn to your purpose. Listen deeply, flirt subtly, and respect boundaries while holding your own. Lead with confidence, stay playful, not needy, and always be real and emotionally honest. Authenticity builds attraction faster than any pickup line. Be confident, not cocky. Keep eye contact. It builds connection. Compliment her genuinely, not constantly. Listen more than you talk. Have goals. Passion is attractive. Dress clean and smell good. Use humor to make her relax. Be unpredictable. Stay interesting. Don't rush intimacy. Respect her space and time. Lead when making plans. Be kind to others around you. Stay calm, even when nervous. Text with purpose, not boredom. Keep your emotions balanced. Be real. No fake personas. Show gratitude for her time. Support her dreams, not just your own. Flirt playfully, not aggressively. Walk away if she disrespects you. Value yourself. The grand logic of attraction and dating. Any girl. Attraction is not built through tricks or words. It's a psychological equation of energy, confidence, respect, and emotional alignment. Girl doesn't fall for a man because of what he says. She falls because of what she feels when she's around him. Your tone, calmness, and sense of purpose tell her everything long before your words do. A man who knows himself doesn't chase validation. He radiates presence. His silence speaks louder than 1,000 compliments because it carries certainty. When you walk in truth, not performance, you create a field of stability. She feels that, and it makes her curious, comfortable, and slightly off balance, in the best way. Dating any girl begins with one rule: master yourself before trying to master attraction. If you can't control your emotions, you'll overthink. If you overthink, you'll chase. If you chase, you'll lose balance. True attraction grows from stillness, the calmness of a man who knows he's enough, even if nothing happens. Be curiously confident, not performatively bold. Ask questions that dive deeper than surface talk. What she values, what she fears, what drives her. Emotional depth connects faster than appearance ever could. Most men try to impress. Few try to understand. Understanding wins every time. Don't underestimate emotional stability. It's the rarest form of strength. A man who stays grounded during arguments, rejection, or uncertainty becomes magnetic. Emotional maturity feels safe. And safety, when mixed with mystery, becomes irresistible. Be playful, but don't turn love into a circus. Humor should open the heart, not hide insecurity. Tease, joke, laugh, but with kindness, not ego. Energy without empathy is arrogance. Empathy without energy is weakness. Attraction lives between the two. Remember, presence is power. Put your phone down when you're with her. Look her in the eyes. Listen like she's the only voice in the world for that moment. Presence builds connection faster than compliments. Your purpose must always stay bigger than your desire. If you lose your focus chasing someone, you stop being attractive. Purpose gives you gravity. It tells her subconsciously that you are a man led by something higher than attention. And above all, never fake your emotions. If you're nervous, say it with humor. If you like her, say it with confidence. Vulnerability, when authentic, is strength. It creates trust. Perfection is boring. Realness is unforgettable. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. More real talks, mindset growth, and dating wisdom are coming your way. Also, make sure to check out my website for free printable planners to help you stay organized and focused, along with my ebooks and audiobooks, including the full guide on how to date any girl. Use the first link in the description to download your free planners and explore everything I've created to help you grow mentally, emotionally, and confidently. Subscribe now to stay part of the journey, because growth starts with clarity, and clarity starts here. Don't stop now. Click the video on screen to keep watching and dive deeper into more tips, strategies, and insights that will help you grow your mindset, confidence, and life skills. While you're at it, binge watch other videos on my channel to explore even more content designed to inspire, challenge, and guide you on your journey of self-improvement, personal growth, and real-world dating advice. Each video is packed with actionable ideas, motivation, and practical steps to help you level up every day. So stay curious, stay connected, and make the most of everything my channel has to offer.